when you see yourself swimming in water, often this represents how you are navigating life emotionally and spiritually. But here is an interpretation cues I can give you on swimming. When you are swimming easily, it means grace. When people who don't know how to swim in the natural life, like in the physical, you don't know how to swim, you are struggling, it will kind of be difficult for you. But there are people that those who know how to swim, they go in, you see them, things go like, they behave like they are fishes themselves. So that is it. So when you swim easily in your dream, that's grace, flow, progress.